Welcome to Metro's new South County connector. This is going to be the bus that's going to make things easier for our seniors. Here we start out at the VFW post hall on the Mayfair Road, very close to the Merrimack River. We approach Merrimack Bottom Road, and of course, you also see a 7-Eleven. You pick up where we used to see the I-55 Express. But sadly, these places along Lee Mayfair Road barely said a word about the service. I'm not sure if they're worried about the protesters or the word falling into the wrong hands or something, or what. I'm not sure why they decided to keep quiet about the service. But to me, I think that's pretty stupid. Yeah, we're on the Butler Hill Road, and hidden from view is the Hampton Inn on one side, and the other side is the gas station, though it's hidden from view, but we're getting ready to approach the Snooks. Here we rejoin Lee Mayfair Road for its trip up to Lindbergh. Here we pull on the Tesson Ferry Road where passengers can connect to the 46 Tesson Ferry bus. Now we rejoin Tesson Ferry Road. Now we're on to Gravois, where you see Grasso Plaza. This stop would provide great access to St. Louis Bread Co., which is also known as Panera Bread, Starbucks, Walgreens, and on the opposite side of the street there's a breakfast place as well over there, and the Snooks. Here we approach the Grants Trail near Grants Farm. Now we're heading west on Gravois. We're going through Sappington, Missouri. Now we're approaching Lindbergh and the Sunset Groves Shopping Center. Now we're on Lindbergh again, and the people can pick up the 49 as well. It's another good location to transfer from the 7 to the 49. Here we make our way through downtown Kirkwood, and we'll soon be rejoining Lindbergh for the trip back down to the VFW post. Here, as we go down Gravois, back towards Tesson Ferry, we see some apartments. Here we approach Grants Trail again.